Wait, what did you just say? That a child who has taken a basic math can become a doctor, can appear for medical? Wasn't standard math was the one for sciences?
See now, the student who's actually taking medical in grade 11 or 12, he's actually aiming for the Indian medical exam, which is the entrance test called NEET, N-E-E-T, NEET. Now, that means for this entrance test in grade 11 and 12, he needs to study physics, chemistry, biology. Math is not even in the picture. So why should he really put all the time and effort in doing math as a standard exam? You know, CBSE has now two divisions, the basic and the standard. So he could go for the basic one because he's not going to pursue math in the higher education.
So, the basic maths is very easier. Don't you think that if a child takes medical, his physics would suffer? He won't be able to cope up with the stress of medical sciences?
I think here we need to highlight that the difference between basic math and standard math is not in the syllabus. It's actually the same stuff. The difference is in assessment. Basic assesses the application of mathematical understanding, while standard assesses the higher order thinking. So naturally, for that higher order thinking, you need to practice math. You need to grill yourself more. So that would require more time and effort. But if the student is so firm and well decided that he's going to pursue medical, then of course he needs to spend more time in improving and brushing up his skills in chemistry, in physics, in biology. Maybe he could start his NEET prep early. And also if he's aiming for international education in the top colleges after taking medical, he needs to work on his portfolio. And for that, of course, he again needs time to really do all those internships, those projects. So if he takes basic math, he kind of gets the time to do it all. Also, if he takes basic math, the percentage could improve because the examination would be easier. So his overall board percentage could actually go up. And again, for the international opportunities, the admission officers would look for, let's say, a better board score. And of course, the lesser stress of basic math is undeniable.
So what about the child who's going to go for engineering, data sciences, or maybe computer sciences? Should he also go for basic math?
See, a simple rule of thumb is if you're going to pursue math in grade 11 and 12, so even if it's commerce with mathematics, you need to take standard math. It's as simple as that. So I think just picking one of the two between basic and standard math could actually help you streamline and orient your thoughts and confusions towards careers early on. Usually students have to take such decisions in grade 9. So that means grade 9 could open up the discussion on what you're planning to be as you grow up, because you have to decide your stream early on. For more education and parenting insights, follow us. All the best.
All the best.